Betsy, what a beautiful day.
Finally,
I know you're going to talk about rain, but can we just take a minute to be
exactly.
appreciative for this day we were given?
Stunning today.
Stunning,
Yes.
definitely. I was out this morning at Quail Hollow golfing with the Indians charity golf outing that I do every year, and it was squish, 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 cart path only, and beautiful sunshine. And now that we look at the radar, you'll see there is rain that's coming in. But first, the next few hours, we're still dealing with partly cloudy conditions. Now, keep in mind the rain showers coming in are kind of few and far between. They're dwindling as they get here, but we have the temperatures that are going to start to slide. There's the radar, okay? We are dealing with probably a solid 90+% of northeast Ohio completely dry. It's just our far northeastern friends, Ashtabula Lake and northern Geauga counties, with the best chance to see these light rain showers moving through. This is all dropping in. We talked about this the last couple days with the chances for these rain showers, along with a weak cold front that's just brushing through northern Ohio. We may pick up some chances for some decent light rain to come into Ashtabula over toward Conneaut and then eventually over to Erie, PA here in probably the next 20 to 30 minutes or so. Other than that, it's just sprinkles and light showers. Then farther to the west, the sprinkles are dropping south toward portions of Lorain County out around Sheffield Lake, and then Avon Lake, Avon over toward Bay Village, Rocky River, Lakewood, and this will continue to press southward. But a lot of this is losing some punch. It's getting away from its source region of its energy, the cold front itself, and you can see how all of our winds are basically west-southwest. Whereas up here coming out of Michigan, it's due west. So everything's kind of coming together where this weak front is located. We're still on the warm side of it, so temperatures are still around 70 degrees. Off to the west, look at this, clearing skies. So once this front brushes through, there's not a whole lot to talk about tomorrow. It's not until tomorrow night and Friday that our next rainmaker gets here, and that one's probably going to have a little bit more punch to it. So some scattered showers around this evening, then that clears out. We'll be left with partly cloudy skies to begin your day tomorrow. Temperatures in the 40s. We'll find the mercury, though, quickly moving. The sun is going to do its thing, and I think temperatures once again will be recovering back into the low and probably mid-70s for a good part of the area. Beautiful afternoon setting up. If there's any track meets or anything going on outside with tennis or lacrosse or whatever, it just looks like it's going to be fantastic. Then the clouds start to come in, and we'll bring in the rain chances once again Thursday night into Friday, as I mentioned. So your Universal Windows Direct forecast looks like this. We're going to go low to mid-70s for tomorrow with partly cloudy skies, rain and storms on Friday. That clears out. The weekend looks ridiculous, friends. Upper 70s, partly sunny on Saturday. And right now it looks warm and muggy for the start of the marathon Sunday morning. Back to you.
Ridiculous. Sounds good, Betsy. Thanks.